So hello everyone. Look here how nice it is. How beautiful is this place, look. Be careful here is little bit, look. Have to go down a lot of step. That is amazing. It's amazing this place. Have to be careful about the snake. I just see one before. So okay here. So look. This is really very nice place. This is somewhere on again Aero. So again one place new. It look like park here, and like that is many people they like to see this place. Like coming a lot of tourists from Germany and France and Sweden, Norway, and also all part of Denmark. So we are still going down. We are very high here. I mean, you can see the seas so down, and we are still going. This is I think it's nice place. Yeah, I want everybody to comment on my channels on my video, and please make sure you subscribe me and follow, and if you want you can share the live. I just please and thanks a lot. Thank you a lot. If you do that, look how beautiful is this place. We have to go down, more down. Wow. So if you want to visit Denmark, you can find a lot of things very nice, and the people are so friendly, so nice people. Look, you can find apple on the lot of apple, and look here is one door. I hope I can open. So now another one part. You have to go slowly this down. So like this is looking here. Come up.
Okay. Ohne so, Niki. Okay, ohne so. Ja. Hey.
So now I'm downstairs near to the sea. So this is the water. How I think it's very beautiful. So hello. So thank you very much, all my subscriber, all my friends who watching my YouTube. Thank you for very much. Thank you, my public. Thank you. So this is the place what I explained to you before. It's Aero Island. It's in Denmark and it's near to Germany. You can get the ferry. You make 1 hour and a half with the ferry, something like that. But believe me, it's beautiful place. And the village there, like old style, and but all the houses there look tidy, nice, and very clean place. The people, I tell you, is they're so friendly, and I like them. They're very, very, very nice and friendly. So this is my. So I will promise to you, I will make video until I will show almost all the island. And after we go little by little, and I will see what part. We go often the city one day, like Odense or Aarhus, one day Copenhagen, and I will show you everything. So this is everything. One day we can make trip fishing together, and this day I will record with a GoPro camera because I can keep on my body and fishing. We need to go back. I'm tired. It's really nice view, beautiful, very beautiful. Michaela. Michaela, where are you going? I'm really tired. Very difficult trip. Hi. So, so this is all the detail here.
Ey, aber Niklas, wir dürfen nicht nochmal mit denen zusammen anhalten.
Anke, hast du den Schlüssel gefunden?
Dass wir vom Hof kommen.
Anke? Hast du den Schlüssel gefunden?
This is all the detail here and some about the story, some frog, different frog. So this is the name, Vanderup.
Hier sind noch zwei Fahrräder.
Here, a lot of people. How is look from up? This is the old view. It's a lot of tourists here. Tourist place. Michaela. So we're ready to go. So now I am again, and if you see 400 years ago, visitor nor was open connection to the sea future from ago. So now I will show you something else. This is the Aero, how it's looking, some information. So this is very beautiful. I'll show you now. I will show you something more interesting now. So we're going to see how it's going. More things, more nice. So thank you very much for all for subscribing, and please share the live if you like what I'm doing. If you like what I'm doing, then you share the live and subscribe me. I'll be very, very happy. Thank you. So now this is the view here. This house was It's very old. It's like a. See? This is a small lake. A lot of duck. There's many duck here. Wild. But they still nice. This look like a castle, you know? And it's nice, it really is nice. And I'm really very happy to show you everything what I can do. And so if you can just subscribe me and share the life. My name is Marius, and my job is chef and cooking. So I hope you will subscribe me and share the life. That's it. Thank you.